Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your number pad keys are not working on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. You want to select the View By up in the top right and select Large Icons. And now you want to select Ease of Access Center, so go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to go and scroll down on this page where it says Make the keyboard easier to use. Just go ahead and left click on that. And where it says Turn on mouse keys, make sure that is toggled to the off position, so make sure you turn that off. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select Apply and OK. And now if you close out of here, and you should be able to use the number pad keys on your keyboard at this time. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.